At this very moment, naghihingalo naman talaga ang telebisyon. At yung hamon na bukas makalawa, wala ng telebisyon dahil sa dami ng ibang libreng platforms.
From the partnership of Vice Ganda and Media Quest, what is it?
I want them to expect. I want also to expect. With the audience, I want to expect a pasabog projects. Hello, ang dami yung pera, dapat pasabog talaga tayo sa MVP. Diba? Parang magtataka yung mga tao, ang dami namang pera, bakit parang tipid yung production? Yung gano'n. Hindi, kidding aside, mag-expect sila ng same thing. Diba? Ano yung gusto nyo sa akin? Anong hinahanap nyo? You need fun, you need laughter every day to make you through to help you through the day. You need to laugh, to escape every now and then. I will give that to you with the help and support of Media Quest. And aside from that, sabi nga nung nag-meet kami ni Sir MVP, meron akong narinig sa kanya na hindi ko makakalimutan. Kasi nung tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, before ako nag-decide, but why will I enter into this agreement? Diba? What will it do me? Anong mabibigay ko din sa kanila? Anong mabibigay nito sa audiences? Diba? At this very moment, naghihingalo naman talaga ang telebisyon. At yung hamon na bukas makalawa, wala ng telebisyon dahil sa dami ng ibang libreng platforms. Yun ang isang mga bagay na ayoko na-embrace. Bukod sa pinaghahandaan, gusto kong hanggat makakaya natin ng mga na-industriya, ipaglaban natin, maipagpatuloy itong nasimulan natin. Kaya nung sinabi niya sa akin na, at this point, we just need to unite. Because I have what you don't have, and you have what I don't have. So let's just unite because the industry needs for us to unite in order to survive. So that's very clear. He has what we don't have. We have what he doesn't have. So pag pinagsama mo yon, it's a win-win for so many people.
Yes, thank you very much, Meme Vines.